Now, today we will see about the types of grinding machine. Grinding machines are generally classified on the basis of finished parts having cylindrical, flat or internal surface. So these are the classification of grinding machine. First is surface grinding machine, second is cylindrical grinding machine, third is internal grinding machine, and last is tool and cutter grinding machine. Surface grinding machine. This machine may be similar to a milling machine used mainly to grind flat surface. However, some types of surface grinders are also capable of producing contour surface with form grinding wheel. Basically, there are 4 different types of surface grinding machines characterized by the movement of their tables and the orientation of grinding wheel spindle as follows. First is horizontal spindle and reciprocating table. The next is vertical spindle, reciprocating table. So see here the motion of the grinding wheel is shown, anti-clockwise direction. There is a rotation. This is table reciprocating, transfer speed is given. So depending upon this, the spindle, horizontal spindle is there, and this is reciprocating table. So horizontal spindle and reciprocating table, this is the classification. Then here is the vertical spindle, movement is shown, reciprocating of workpiece reciprocating, and the grinding wheel also given down feed as shown this arrow. So reciprocation of work table and the feed is downward direction. So vertical speed and the reciprocating table. In this the spindle is horizontal and the table is rotary. Rotary motion is there as shown in figure. In next figure, spindle is vertical and the table is rotary, rotating about the axis. This is the real picture of the surface grinding machine. Here is the grinding wheel there. Next type is cylindrical grinding machine. This machine is used to produce external cylindrical surface. The surface may be straight, tapered, steps or profile. Broadly, there are 3 different types of cylindrical grinding machine as follows. Plain center type cylindrical grinder, universal cylindrical surface grinder, centerless cylindrical surface grinder. The main sub-classification of cylindrical grinders depends upon the method of supporting work between the centers or centerless. The work rotates at much lower speed compared to that grinding wheel. In case of centerless type, the work supported by the arrangement of the work rest, regulating wheel and the grinding wheel. So this is the figure of plain center type of cylindrical grinder. Motion is shown here, arrow, longitudinal transverse and rotary motion of the wheel is shown here. This is the universal cylindrical surface grinder. Are very versatile, best suited for tool rooms application. Both work and wheel head can be swiveled. It is possible to grind taper surfaces and use this machine for internal face and surface grinding by using some attachment. It is also possible to perform plunge cylindrical grinding or taper plunge grinding on it.